Hello guys, in mastering the basics of Arduino programming, arrays as string are another important concept to learn. This is because arrays allows you to manage collections of related data efficiently, while strings are used to handle text data. So combining both knowledge will help or enable complex operations such as managing multiple outputs like LEDs, the ones you can see in this project, and displaying meaningful information. So this project is on LED sequence control with arrays and string. And the goal of this project is to teach you how to use arrays and string as a way to master the basics of Arduino programming. So in working on a project like this, you will learn how to use arrays to manage multiple data points like LED pins, and how to use the strings to handle text data for displaying meaningful information. Alright, so this is a simple project, and we'll provide everything about the project in the link in the video description below to access the technical article that will guide you to build a project, but not just build a project, but to learn and understand the concept or the role that arrays and string play in achieving a system like this, and how you can also use that same concept in other projects. So thank you for watching, and bye-bye.